Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to draw on another YouTuber. His name is Suhail and he is having a YouTube channel named Cyber Tamara. He is having 1 million plus subscribers and all about technical news and app reviews. It would be small, but here I'm having a lovely YouTube family. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and join with my YouTube family because I want you to be in my family. Leave a comment if you want me to draw anything in my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.